Alright guys, panibagong video, panibagong araw na naman. Ngayong araw ay papunta tayo sa pinsan ni Mrs. So magkita-kita tayo doon. Kaya samahan niyo ako, let's go! Kaya samahan niyo kaming maglakad-lakad. At ngayong araw ay maulan. Ayan o, maulan ngayon guys, grabe ang ulan. Maulan today. Yan, maulan. Ayan o, dito lang kami sa may bus station. Kabayan! Shout out Kabayan! Driver bus stop, ang driver dito sa bus guys is Filipino. Pasira na, umalis na siya. 189 yung bus niya. Yan o. Ito, Kelburn Park 32. Ano ba sakyan natin?
Pwede na tayo mag-ano 32. Diyan na tayo sa harap ng ano.
Dito na tayo daw. 32.
Hindi ba ka dyan na tayo?
May Poundland. Bili lang ako ng chewing gum. Chewing gum. Ano ba? Dito. Bili tayo ng bili lang tayo ng anong bilhin natin dito? Bigas? Hindi. Saan man? Bili lang ako ng Bili lang ako ng aking chewing gum. Where's the chewing gum, Crystal? Chewing. Huh? Somewhere here? In here? No? Oh, huh? Is that the one?
Yeah.
This is the one? Chewing gum. Is that, which one? This one or that one?
Any one you want?
Or this one? Or better this one? This one there. Okay.
Dad,
Yeah, the right?
ano man yan?
Ano man? Saan pala?
Yung mga ganyan, uminto. So,
Fanta one, get the Fanta. Get the Fanta.
Which?
This one, yeah, that one. I want this one.
Okay. Okay.
yung bawat ni Crystal, pinapilim.
Oh, Crystal, you want? Which one you want?
I want this one.
Okay.
Yeah, let's share.
Ikaw kan?
Yan,
Which?
frutila nga.
Protila. Crystal, which one?
Then somebody
Ha?
else is the other one.
What would you like then? Okay, pick which one you want then.
Yeah.
Go.
Pick which one?
Which one you want? Go.
Come on. Camila. Pick it. Pick
Pick it.
Pick one.
Which one would you like? You don't like the frutella? You
Sure.
sure?
Loli.
Okay.
Anything?
Marcus, 8 days. The green one. I don't think one.
Okay. This is
Our cat.
Ay, palit.
yes! Bakit walang gum? That's this.
Pareha sila. Oh, okay, bye-bye. Okay lang? Alright guys. Yan. Chewing gum. Chewing gum guys. Saan ang chewing gum? Where is chewing gum? Where is chewing gum?
Card payment?
Yeah, but I need that chewing gum first. Cut. Kunin mo nga. Yeah, I'll pay a card.
Yeah, this is self-check.
Yan, 6 pounds. Okay. Hang on, hold it.
Hi guys. Today we're gonna pay. You have to pay £6.
6 pounds.
There's the card.
That's the card. There you go. Yes. Approve. Please remove card. I got your card.
What card's that one?
Monso?
That's mine.
Okay.
Bakit wala nang magkuha ng mga ganyan? Ay, kay Johnson ito sa akin.
Okay.
Sige na, sige na.
Thank you. Alright. Dito na guys. Alright guys, lumabas na kami. Dito tayo guys, kasi maulan ngayon araw. Kaya pagpasensya nyo na lang ang video ko ngayon. At medyo maulan. Maulan ngayon guys, maulan. So cloudy, kung tignan nyo naman ang ulap ko. Maulan. Maulan guys. Tawid tayo ngayon guys. Tawid tayo ng kalsada. So, dito tayo guys. Dito. Dito sakay. Dito tayo. Right. Maulan eh, maulan. Maulan. Yeah, that's it.
I like this one.
Yeah. Oh,
Literal bono. Ang bulagat, 10.
andun na?
Oo. Bigay na sa akin agad. Ang galing.
Galing ah. Hello, hello, hello.
Parang busy man si nanay.
Ate, pwede kita ma-vlog? Kasama kita sa vlog ko ha. Ito, auntie namin dito sa London na milyonarya. Sandali lang, mag-base ako.
Okay lang. Pass nila kasi
Magkuhan ako. Magkuhan muna ako. Guys, alam nyo guys. Kainan naman, pumunta kami dito sa bahay ng auntie ni Arlene. Auntie namin. At saka pinsan ng mga bata. Ito oh. Mayroon tuyo. Guys, oh. May turon. Mayroong paksiw na isda, guys. Wow. Ayan, oh. May tortang talong. Ayan. May prito na tilapia. Sausawan.
okay,
Wow.
mag-drink kayo.
Ito siya, oh. Ito si auntie namin dito sa London. Ito. Ayan siya. Ito siya.
Welcome to London.
Shut up dyan.
Afghanistan.
Sa wakas, nagkita rin.
Tagal na no.
Matagal na. Malit ang tawan ito naman si Kano. Oh, yan, si Linlin. Hi vlogs. Yan si Linlin. Oh. Ito ang kusina guys. Oh, grabe. Kadami yung giluto.
Ha? Kunti lang yan kuya eh. Ano? Food trip tayo niya.
Food trip. Oh. Ito oh. Grabe. Ito guys. Oh. Grabe ang pagkain dito. Kadami mga pagkain. Food trip daw. Food trip.
Food trip.
Food trip. Nako eh. Food trip. Food trip daw. Food trip. Ayan oh. Yan. Shout out. Hello. Shout out. Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Welcome to London. Welcome to...
Ano ba ako mag-in? Hi, Kent.
Hello.
How was the bus ride from there to here?
Very long.
Are you tired?
Yes.
Why? You were just sitting there.
Doing nothing.
So why are you tired?
Because it's boring. Just sound like this. Doing nothing.
Say something.
Stop filming me.
Hi, Shorty.
Hello.
How's the bus ride from there to here?
Very sleepy, very long, very slow.
How was the traffic?
Very long, very sleepy, very slow. I did not have fun with that.
Is the weather good today?
Absolutely not. It was this morning that we got a little bit of sun this morning, but then it began to rain,
Oh my.
and then it rained even more.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Alright guys. Yan. Alright guys. So, dumating na kami dito guys. So, ayan. Na-traffic kami kasi. Kaya medyo natagalan. Na-traffic. Na-traffic.
Late na kayo?
Kumusta?
Dito ka pa? Oh, natapos ako ng paano.
Pumayat talaga ng kasi cellphone.
Nagpapasexy.
Yan ang cellphone guys. Oh. Dati ito.
Lagi. Hello.
Sabi ito noon. Ngayon, hindi na.
Asa si Kuya? Uncle, ay, Kuya Dan. Sino tayo? Sino magkamay?
Oh, sige. Mukbang daw to guys.
Okay, mukbang sila guys.
Yeah. Ano?
Kung tinamad na ako, kinain na rin yung pira ko.
Oo, kainin. Kainin yan sa reels. Ito guys.
Kita ako ng ilang dalas, tapos kakainin din.
Kainin.
Kasi, tamad man ako.
Kainin mo na.
Kinakain na muna kayo.
Mukbang ito guys. Ha?
So, mukbang sila guys. Galing sa...
Ay, Ukman.
Galing sa Kilburn. Galing sa Kilburn daw.
Saan naman sa...
Alright guys. Hanggang dito na lang ang video to. Maraming salamat po. At sana nag-enjoy kayo. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye.